In the middle of the heat.
In the middle of the day. Gusto nila maging snatcher. Bakit ganun?
Gusto nila ng cancer.
Hi everybody.
Hello!
Welcome to the Sari Sari Store podcast. This is a mini podcast without Jonah.
This is a mini beach podcast.
Mini beach podcast. For today's guest, we have Melody. Si Melody po ay isang doktor ng parmasya. Isa po siyang vet.
At isa po siyang isang hayop na kahipan.
Si Melody po ay isang OFW. Dito sa gitnang silang. Tagalog.
8 taon na po ko dito
Wow.
na nagbe-beach.
Melody, take me back. Paano ka nakapag-decide? What made you decide to come here?
Actually, my sister decided,
For you? Kasi tambay ka. Sige.
hindi, kasi doon sa Pilipinas, sobrang pressure ang maging doktor doon.
Mm.
Iba yung pressure dito, iba yung pressure doon.
Mm.
Ang pressure doon is, yung mga client mo is high-end na, very demanding talaga.
Mm. Talaga?
Oh. I work in Green Hills.
Mm.
So, the clientele there is like, mayaman talaga.
Tapos paano yung process mo pagdating mo dito? Like,
So, I came here as a visit visa.
as a princess?
Yes, a visitor.
You started in Dubai.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sa Abu Dhabi.
Hindi naman. Kasi I stayed with my sister for like 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Then, nung nakahanap na ako ng work ko,
Pinalayas ka.
No, I decided for myself
Okay. You wanted freedom.
to live out.
Live out.
Yeah.
Tapos from there, anong adjustments na ginawa mo?
So, after a month, when I anong tawag doon din? Nung nandito na ako.
Aha.
So, after a month, nakahanap ako ng work ko, and that's in Vienna.
Mm.
So, that's my first job, is in Vienna.
Sa
Yung
beach.
nandito lang. Also, veterinary clinic.
Dito sa tabi. Mm-hmm.
So, adjustment is, it's okay din naman kasi tumira ako dun sa kakilala ko din.
That time, saan ka nakatira?
Borsha 1.
Layo.
No, it's very near to,
Isang daanan lang. Isang
isang ganun
kembot
lang.
lang. Well, how did you? Nagko-commute ka?
commute, bus.
Ganun bumababa sa harap ng Vienna? Maglalakad?
No, alam mo yung sa may TVH?
Aha.
Malapit sa TVH ako.
Yung may Enigma na salon? Doon ka bumababa? Okay.
And then, walk na lang pa fun.
Arte. Walk na lang papuntang Kuwait.
Ayun na nga, tumira ako dun sa schoolmate ko dati.
Schoolmate mo college.
Nung college.
Doktor din siya.
Doctor din siya. So, it's not that hard to, siguro, mag-adjust.
Nung tumira ka with your friend, ano yung bed space, partition?
It's a bed space.
Dumaan talaga tayo lahat sa bed space.
No.
Anong adjustment mo nun? During that bed space time?
Wala lang.
Kakilala mo naman kasi siya.
kakilala ko
So,
naman.
para lang kayo nasa dorm. Kasi nag-dorm
Kasi
ka dun.
natutulog lang ako, ganun last.
Paano ulit?
Tapos pagkagising ko, doon ako sa sala.
Paano gising? Hindi. Kasi ikaw nag-dorm ka dati, di ba?
Oh, bed space din.
Ako kasi never ko
Boarding
kasi na-try mag-boarding house or mag-dorm.
Top din ako dati. So,
Kasi ako
for
hindi ko talaga naranasan yun.
sa top.
No, yung may kasama sa bahay na ibang tao. It was always mga kapatid ko.
Yeah.
Pinsan. Handshake. Pero hindi yung hindi mo kakilala exactly. Sa school, siguro mga 2 linggo lang. Pero hindi yung
Ako the whole college days ko kasi nasa kon lang ako eh. Boarding house.
boarding house ka kasi.
So, it's 8 years. 8 years?
Oh.
No,
6.
No, 8 years.
8 years ba?
Yeah. Kasi kapag wala kang bagsak, 6 years. Kapag bumagsak ka,
Alam mo na,
until 10 years.
kapag no, hindi yun bagsak, kapag favorite ka ng prof mo, maglalast ka ng another 2. Ito naman, hindi man lang pinaganda. Sinabi talaga kapag bagsak ka, pwede naman sabihin, kapag favorite ka ng
That's the
prof,
reality.
mariretain ka talaga.
Maximum, magna.
Maganda yun. Kasi naman sa suma,
Sa mga
sumasapot. So yun yung, so wala kang major adjustment.
Wala naman.
How do you find the UAE? Dubai?
Actually, it's very safe.
Di ba?
Oo. It's very safe here.
What's the best thing, other than safetyness, what's the best thing about Dubai?
Very accessible.
Saan?
In terms for grocery, in terms of food,
Oo,
it's
actually.
very accessible.
No, like for you kasi you drive na din. Pero given before,
Even
to now,
before,
compared from before to today, mas naging accessible siya. Kasi siya po, online shopping baby. Kwento mo.
Hindi kasi ako nag-grocery papuntang
So, anong ginagawa
grocery
mo?
store. Nag-grocery ako sa cellphone ko.
Tapos lahat pinapadala, lahat ng sale, add to cart. Hindi niya iniisip, basta sale, add to cart. Tapos darating yun sa bahay niya, lahat na ng dami.
Tapos pinapakain ko din sa mga coworker ko.
Meron siyang charity.
At least,
Melodic Lives. Yun ang pangalan ng organization niya. Melodic Lives. Charity by Melody Abelia. Oo nga din. Actually, totoo yun. Yung the accessibility of that. And then the safety. And then the safetyness.
yeah. The safetyness.
Ikaw, lagi ka namang napunta ng Abu Dhabi. Which do you think is better? And for you lang.
As a lifestyle, Dubai is better. Pero,
Talaga. Anong pros ng Dubai? In comparison to Abu Dhabi.
Life is, sabi na lang natin, sobrang bilis niya dito sa Dubai.
Yeah, 100%.
Compared to Abu Dhabi, kapag pumunta ka ng Abu Dhabi,
Chill.
very slow yung time mo.
Chill nga din.
Chill lang.
Yun lang yung difference, I don't say it would be a pro and con.
Oh, kasi mas
Negative
if
and
you
positive.
if you want to be in a quiet place, punta ka ng
Abu Dhabi is very chill. Hindi pa ako nakapag-stay lang ako doon like in a hotel kasi nga may kasal, may event, pero hindi ako tumira doon per se. Tumira talaga, may grocery, ganyan. Pero I would say it's very chill. Dito kasi it's very fast-paced.
Family-oriented kasi.
Ang Abu Dhabi. Kasi dito, for example, sa beach right now, sa view na nakikita namin, may mga families, may mga couples. Ang cute naman ng baby. May couples, tapos may mga individuals na tumatakbo at this hour, nasa beach, like, yung alam, active lifestyle. So yeah, it depends really.
Medyo salty yung lemon.
Talaga?
Hindi.
May pink
May pinch of salt.
Talaga? Yung sa akin, wala. Ice cream lang siya, softy. Before tayo mag-end, how long more do you think you can stay in the UAE or Dubai?
Hindi naman.
How long more, regardless of which company?
Maybe another decade.
Another?
Decade.
Another 10 years. Nga then, 8 years is that's not that long.
Yeah. Kala ko nga kakadating ko lang kahapon.
Talaga? Diba?
I can stay more.
Yeah, me too. I can stay more. I mean, the UAE is
not
quite a
bad.
nice place, no?
But, yeah.
It's not bad. It's a good spot. It's safe. And,
Rather than going to the Philippines na.
yeah, that's a different story. Sa mga nag-aspire na pumunta ng UAE, lalo na sa field mo, yung mga nasa Pilipinas, yung gusto pumunta dito, anong top 3 advices ang may bibigay?
Siguro first is to lower down your expectation. Kasi pag pumunta ka dito, you won't be a doctor.
Yeah.
You won't be a doctor. You have to be patient with the process.
Yeah.
So, kung doon sa Pilipinas is your vet dito, hindi mo magagawa yun kasi
Or a vet tech here.
you're a vet nurse or a vet tech.
A vet tech here, yeah.
Second, ang hirap mag-umpisa. Especially kung wala kang family. Tapos alone ka.
Oo nga, kasi sa vet, kasi it's a very tough,
You're
it's a very
gonna,
tough profession, no? Kailangan mo talaga ng support system.
you're gonna, siguro, mararamdaman mo talaga yung
Nagiging
homesickness.
homesick,
Which is for me, not that much. Kasi nandito naman yung mga
kapatid. Yeah, we're very lucky sa aspect of it.
So, yeah. And
Last one.
last one is racism. So, you have to be
You have to be,
accepting
you have
the
to
fact
accept
na-
and at the same time set your own boundaries for it, no? Ganda yan. Kasi nga, racism is everywhere. But racism can be racism if you want it, and if you prefer for it to be racist. Or for it to be a racism or act of racism. Kasi if you fight against it, it wouldn't be called racism. It's more of asserting your cause. Pero mahirap din kasi mo. I think there is indirect. It's an indirect. Ano no? It's an indirect thing. It's not meant to be, but it becomes as that. No. But it's not naman their fault kasi. It's not their fault. It's how society has developed it.
I mean, nasa sistema na nila yun na they are more privileged
Nasa
than
system
us.
na kasi yan. Pero hindi naman ako. But then it's up to you how you would fight for your place in society. No?
You have to be, you have to learn to be tough.
Yeah, you have to learn to be tough talaga. Ano naman umiyak? Pero hindi naman pwedeng maging palaban ka lang lahat na lang.
Oo. Kasi lahat na lang, kung lahat na lang
Aawayin.
kakalabanin mo, ikaw na yung kalaban.
Oo. Kaya, it's a you problem na talaga. Salamat sa pag-uunlak ng ating
My pleasure.